In just a few minutes, you can create stunning fashion videos online using Pic Copilot Fashion Reels. It's perfect for Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform. No physical studio needed. Simply choose the AI model style, position, music, and background. First, click here to upload your clothing image. Choose your clothing type and upload either from your computer or by scanning the QR code with your phone. We offer two modes, model mode and custom model mode. Next, pick a model from our library or upload your own. The platform supports two video sizes, 9:16 and 3.4. Want to boost your brand? Simply click Add Logo to Video Ending to upload your logo. It will appear at the end of your video, leaving viewers with a clear brand impression. Once you've made your selections, hit the Create Now button, and the system will generate 8 video options for you. If you're not satisfied with some of them, simply use Retry with AI. Select at least 3 videos to regenerate for polished results you'll love. Wait a moment for processing, and you're done. If you want to use custom models, it's super easy. Click Model Image and upload a photo of your model in the clothing you want to feature. Then choose a pose and background music from our library. Click Create Now, and your image will instantly turn into a captivating video that makes your product stand out. Create amazing product videos that are uniquely yours. Give it a try right now.